Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. In this tutorial I will explain you how to create your first project using ASP.NET Core MVC. First I will create an empty project and then I will create the project with model view controller. So let's begin. So here we have Visual Studio 2022, and from here you can find the recent projects, right? In order to create the new project you need to click this button from here, and this will lead you to this page to create a new project. Okay, so on top you will see a search bar. You need to type here .NET Core. All right, and you will see a scroll bar right here. Okay, so from here you can find ASP.NET Core empty and with a model view controller. So first I will be creating the empty project first, so I will select this empty and then I will select the next button from here. Okay, so this window will appear. From here you can write the name of your project, right, and you can set the location where you want it to save. I will keep the rest of the thing as default and I will select the next button, and after that this additional information page will appear. From here you can select the framework, so you can select this drop down and here you can see the available framework. So I have 8.0 and 9.0. I will select 8.0. So these are different options. I will keep everything as default and select the create button from here. So after some time your project will be created. Okay, on right side of the screen we are able to see the solution explorer. When I select this directory gets open, and here we can clearly see that there are no folders for model view or controller, right? Because this is an empty project and we have to create everything from scratch. I'm not going to run this project, rather I will create a new project which I will run later. You can create a new project from there or from this screen as well. I will create a new project, but this time I will do it with model view and controller. So this page will appear. In the search bar I am going to write .NET Core. I will scroll down a little bit from here and I will find this ASP.NET Core Web App Model View Controller. I will select this and hit the next button, and I will write the project name here. I'm writing here my project underscore, and I will click the next button. I will keep everything as default. I will select here .NET 8.0 and then click on the create button from here. This time a new project will be created but with model view and controller, and this time I'm going to run this project as well. So I'm going to select here the drop down button and we need to select the web browser. By default it is selected the Google Chrome. You can change it from here, and I'm going to run this as well. So I'm going to hit this play button. A new web page will be opened in the web browser, which I have selected the Google Chrome. So this is the name of the project, my project underscore. I can see these two buttons for home and privacy. So I can see here the text written welcome, learn about, and building web apps with ASP.NET Core. Now let's see where they are coming from. I'm going back into the Visual Studio 2022 and I will select the Solution Explorer. Here I can see the folder for controller, folder for model, and folder for view as well. They are separate folders, right? Okay, so I'm going to first open the controller folder, and here we can see home controller.cs file. If I double click and open it, I can see here a method named as index, and it is basically returning a view. Okay, so let's open the view. So I am going back to the Solution Explorer and I am going to expand the view folder, right? In view folder we have folder for home. In this home folder we have this file index.cshtml, and this is the file that has everything that is being displayed on that web page. So here we have the text welcome, which is written over here. Okay, and then we have the text for learn about, which is written over here. Okay, and also we have a link displayed building web apps. Okay, that is written over here. So these are the basics of how you create a new empty project and creating a new project with a model view and controller. So that's all for this video. If you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.